Hey everybody! Maybe you can tell by my fingernails what I've been working on. I've been trying some tea staining today, so that was really fun. I'll show you the results of that some other time. But anyway, this is what we made last time, and I just wanted to continue. I had a scrap left over of some paper that I used to make the journaling card. I just had a little square left, so I thought I would use it up. So I just made a little corner pocket. This is what the square used to be, just a square. And I just zippy cutted right there down, not quite the middle because I wanted the pocket part to be a little bit bigger. But anyway, so I made a pocket, and I'm gonna go ahead and just make another page spread just to give you some ideas of how that might work. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of go for it. So to make that pocket, you just make your triangle, and I left it flat on these sides just because I wanted to. And then I just glued down this side and the bottom. And I already inked, and I used a fun little hole punch that I have. Let me show you what it looks like. Just like that I had bought off, I believe, Amazon. I'll link it if I can find it. Anyway, it's just fun. It kind of gives it a lacy effect on the edges, so really pretty. All right, and I wanted to add some lace or something on top, so I think I'm going to put that on with my Yoo-hoo, I don't know how you say that, I'm guessing, my Yoo-hoo glue, just because it's a very lightweight lace. It's a vintage lace that my mom had in her old sewing collection. My mom's a talented seamstress. She sewed her own wedding dress, so that was pretty cool. Anyway, I just wanted to have some fabric-y, fun, lacy texture on this. So when that dries, that'll be stuck on there nice and good. All right, and then what I've done, oh, I guess I can do this. I made this little cluster. It's just coffee stain music paper, a scrap left over from the lace, one of the tickets from the set that I've been using, and a little word from the set. The same set that this paper's in. So anyway, just fun. I just put a Mod Podge of stuff together and sewed it, but I didn't want you to have to watch me sewing, so I did that beforehand. I'm just gonna stick this on here. Hopefully I'm right there in the screen. Yay! All right. Okay, and then I wanted to try something just a little different. I had these old kind of postcard looking things, and then some coffee dyed paper for journaling, just some journal cards that I'm planning on tucking right into this little spot. And then this was what was left over after I cut this pocket, so I thought, well, I'm gonna find a way to use it. So I thought it would be kind of cool to create just a tiny little spot where the tops of these get tucked underneath when I put it away, because sometimes when you have these corner pockets, things tend to flop around or slide out when you're flipping through the pages of the journal. So I thought, I'm just going to experiment with this. So I just thought I'd use it as a little tuck. I'm just going to go, let's see, along the top, and then not all the way down this side, just to create a little stability, but keep it loose enough that I can kind of slide those pages in and out really easily. So I'm gonna get it a little bit further from the crease because I don't want it right on the crease, and I want it to barely catch those papers. So I'm gonna put it right there and let that dry, and then hopefully, yeah, that'll pop up. So that'll be really easy to get those in and out, but it'll provide it just a little stability. I didn't want to glue all the way down because I thought that might be a little hard to get them in and out. And I didn't want to do that because I like things to be fairly easy to get to. So, all right, we did that. And then I had this cute little sticker, just a little rose from another set that I had. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on that little top pocket just to add some interest. Add something a little different. It's super cute. It goes perfect with this. So let's see, I'll come up onto the lace just a hair. Anyway, super easy. I gotta trim this off for us. I'm sure that's driving some of you crazy. Don't worry, I see it. I will trim, or you don't, that could be fun. To just leave it there for a little tab. Either way, but I'm gonna trim it off. Okay, so super easy, just a quick corner pocket, some cute little journaling spots. They fit right in there, and then you just tuck them right back under that just to give it that little extra stability as you're flipping through, that they won't flop around or fall out. So anyway, fun idea, super easy. Hopefully all that made sense, and hopefully you can give it a shot. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all doing awesome. Bye.